Hello, it's me again, Rob, of Pintura's Art Channel, and today I'll be drawing three of the most dominant players in the Bulls 90s era: Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippen, and Dennis Rodman. So I decided to do this video because it's very timely because of the Last Dance documentary on Netflix, and I watch that every first every Monday of each month. And right now I think it's the 8th episode, right? So next Monday it'll be the 9th and the 10th, which will be the last episode for the Last Dance documentary. So as you can see here, I'm drawing Michael Jordan first. So Michael Jordan, a very dominant player, considered the GOAT. And you know what? For me, Michael Jordan is actually at the top. And most of you may disagree, but to me, Kobe is closest to LeBron. I'm sorry, Kobe is closest to Michael Jordan and not LeBron. But yeah, because I'm a Kobe fan. So yeah, but let's continue with the drawing. So I'm doing the arm right now. Okay, kids, so when you draw Michael Jordan, don't forget to draw the armband, because that's what he's famous for. And besides that, don't forget the tongue. Okay, the tongue sticking out. The reason why he's doing that every time he, say for example, dunks the ball or do a layup, those acrobatic shots, I think he got that from his dad, because when he was a kid, every time he sees his dad working, his dad's tongue was always sticking out, so he got that mannerism from his dad. So as you can see there, the tongue is kind of sticking out. So this time I'm actually drawing the lines of the Spalding ball, and from what I've heard, Spalding won't be the NBA's they will no longer be tied to NBA for the next season. It'll be Wilson. So you better practice the Wilson lettering on your basketballs for the next season. So this time I'm doing I'm drawing Dennis Rodman. I always start with the eyebrows, and then after that the eyes, the nose, the lips. So there it is. Okay, so right now we're doing Dennis Rodman's fingers or hands, and I just decided to put some tapes on his finger. And as you can see, he's kind of doing a rebound here, but I just did draw the like his leg or the bottom part of his body. So he's just like he's guarding or something, or doing a rebound. And yeah, for Jordan, he's doing the dunk. He's dunking the ball. So after Dennis Rodman, I'll be drawing Scottie Pippen, which is about to do a drive. So there you go. There's Michael Jordan and Dennis Rodman. And here's like my style when I draw. I want the outline. Sometimes I do thicken the outline. You'll see it by the end of this video. And I add some shadows, cross hatching. I think I just like it that way. That's why. And there you have it, Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippen, and Dennis Rodman.